Hello, Danny V here again for another tech review, and I just got my Vaporesso Luxe XR Max, and it is charging currently. We're gonna do an unboxing review. It is very attractive, comes in several colors. I like blue, it's my favorite color, but they come in many other colors as well. Gray, red, orange. So we're gonna talk about the features and we're gonna do an unboxing. Let's go. So it comes in this very attractive, beautiful box with all the information on the box. I say this is an award-winning product, really good product. It has the manual and everything here in several languages. It has an extra coil for you to use, and it has a USB-C cable, which is really nice because USB-C is the best, some of the best connectors I've seen. So here you have the actual vaporizer. Very smooth, high quality feel. Feels like maybe aluminum, kind of like an iPhone or something like that. It feels really nice in the hands. So look at it. It's a beauty. It's a real beauty. So you can see here it has a nice USB-C connector there, as I said before. You can see here there's an air dial, so you can let in more or less air according to your preference. And there you go. You can see the charging point there on the side. Now you see the button, your button, that's your multifunction button. And by pressing it numerous times, you can go through different menus. So to turn it on or really off, you press it 5 clicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a row. That turns it off so it won't go on in your pocket. If you hit 4 times, it goes to the main menu, and you can go up and down with these little arrows there at the bottom. If you hit it 3 times, it goes to the voltage, so you can raise or lower the, how much power goes to the coil. I'm not sure, I'm not using the scientific term, so forgive me. Now you can see the coil here. This is how you put in extra liquid. It has a little rubber that you remove. I got the here Dragon Club e-liquid. You just got to get it. Let me get it open here, and you can just squirt it in there. You can kind of see when it's full. Now if you overfill it, it's no big deal, you just wipe it off. But if you underfill it, you can burn out the coils, which can make your coils burn out a lot faster. You don't want that. So we're gonna put everything back together here and get it going. You see here, you can see that it is directional. You can only put it in one way to make it actually work. It's very easy. You line it up. This is a beautiful product. Take care.